Okay guys, it's time to add a contact page to our website. Maybe someone looks at the front page, scrolls down a little bit and says, yes, I need a web app. I'm not going to even look any further. This looks awesome. I need to contact them. Whoop, there's nowhere to contact them. So let's go back into the back end and open up our pages, and we're going to create a new page. So select add new. Alright, and I'm just going to call this one Contact Us and give that a name. And we're not going to change anything here. We're just going to simply select Publish. Quickly, before we do that, we need to do something. So let's go ahead and go to our plugins over here. And I'm going to go to Add New, and I'm going to right click and open this in a new tab. Okay, and we are going to search a plugin. So type in Contact Form 7. And this is the ultimate contact form plugin. It's got to be the best in WordPress. And if you don't believe me, take a look at how many downloads there are down here. 22 million. It's very easy to work with. There's a lot of customizable options. So let's go ahead and install this now. And I'm going to select OK and make sure you have Contact Form 7. Okay, successfully installed. I'm going to go ahead and activate this plugin. Excuse me. And let's wait for that to activate. Awesome. Now we'll see it in our plugin list, and let's go to settings within Contact Form 7 really quickly. And we see that they've already created a contact form for us. We could come up here, select Add New, and create our own contact form. But let's just use this one and go ahead and select the title, and we're going to open this one up. And this contact form is simply going to gather a name, an email, a subject, and then a message, which is simple, and then a send button. And there are a lot of great tutorials out there on how to use Contact Form 7. It's very easy. Go ahead and if you want to learn a little bit more about it, I would pause the video and go out and Google Contact Form 7 tutorial. You'll learn everything you need to know. There's also a lot of documentation. But for now, we just need to make sure that this email is sending to our email address. So when someone fills out that form, it's going to send an email, and we want to make sure it's going to the right place. And my email is currently here, and yours should be the correct email that should be in this to field here because you set up your website with your preferred email, hopefully. If not, just go ahead and enter which email you want this to be. I'm going to keep mine the same for now, and I am going to come back up here, and you'll notice we have some shortcode here. Shortcode always starts with brackets like this, and we can pretty much paste this anywhere in our website. Excuse me. So let's go ahead and copy that shortcode and go back to our contact page. And from here, I want to open up our page builder, and we're simply going to add this shortcode. And we could go back to our editor and just paste this in our visual. And you know what? As opposed to doing a text widget, let's just go ahead and do that. So I want you to switch back to editor from your page builder, and we're just going to go to visual here. And we're just going to paste that shortcode right on in there. And all we have to do now is go ahead, publish this, and let's go ahead and have a look at our website. To contact us page should be already selected, or already created, I apologize. So let's go ahead and look, and there we have a little contact form where people can enter information. So like I said, you can go and look up some Contact Form 7 stuff, how to make it look better if you want, or how to make more fields. But really quickly, if your contact page did not automatically show up here, then you're going to need to add it to your menu. And we do that by going to Appearance and Menus. And you could simply find your most recent page, and I would just select it, and then I would select Add to Menu. Now mine automatically did that, and you can set that by automatically add new top level pages to this menu by selecting that. So now we know how to put that in our menu if it didn't automatically do it. And also we have a contact us page. Now we need to clean up this sidebar that has a bunch of useless information to us. So we'll do that in the next lecture.